Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Tuesday, September 21st, 2010. Today we had a total of 3 executable trade signals for a max potential of 15 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right at 11:38:25, and we were setting into a setup to the downside. We actually got a signal to get short. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside immediately after the open for 6 ticks. And then we started just kind of chopping sideways as today was the FOMC, and the market, you can see, was just back and forth, back and forth. You can see we were in a nice tight pattern. We actually did get a signal to get long right around 10:26, and that made it to its swing high point, didn't make it all the way up to its profit target, missed it by a tick, so we ended up getting stopped out on this as it was just ranging back and forth. Ended up with a T1 -2 on that particular trade, and then that was basically it until the lunchtime dead zone. So just a lot of back and forth activity. Now there was an opportunity to edge trade, but we'll just count the normal system setup, and between 11:30 and 1:15, that's what we call our lunchtime dead zone. We do not initiate any new trades. That's the red area on this chart. Coming out of lunchtime, we basically you give yourself an opportunity early, but you basically sit on your hands until after the FOMC announcement. Now what we do as far as our trading plan, when the FOMC comes out, there's the reaction. We wait until 2:30 before we start taking signals again. We give it a full 15 minutes for the volatility to clear out before we actually start taking our signals again. And in fact, there was starting to be a signal to the downside, but you can see it was 227, 228, 229, and then right at 230 we actually did get a signal to get long. Now I am not counting this 7-tick winner as a part of our video totals tonight, because it happened right at 230, and 230 is when we actually started looking for trades again. So you would have had that order sitting there ready to go at 230, and yes, it was a winner, but I am not going to count it towards our video totals tonight. We're just going to wait for the next setup after that. And then sure enough, towards the end of the day, we actually did get a setup. There was 2 possible entries on this. There was the initial entry around 11:40, and whether you got filled or not, you probably came back and got another entry around 39.75. But I'm showing the later entry here. That was a T2 plus 11. So all in all today, FOMC aside, we had some range motion, but it still ended up and produced 3 trades for 15 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of this screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.